In this video, I'll guide you through how to reply to email in Gmail. Whether you're new to Gmail or just want a clear walkthrough, we'll go step by step so you know exactly what to do each time you need to respond to a message. Let's start with opening the email you want to reply to. First, sign into your Gmail account in your web browser or open the Gmail app on your phone or tablet. Once you're in your inbox, you'll see a list of emails. Find the message you want to respond to. It might be in your primary tab, social tab, promotions, or another label, depending on how your inbox is organized. Click or tap on the subject line of that email to open it fully. When the email is open, you'll see the sender's name, the subject, and the main message. Scroll through the email if it's long, so you understand what the person is asking or telling you before you respond. Taking a moment to read everything carefully helps you write a clear and relevant reply. Now that the email is open, it's time to click reply. On a computer, you'll usually see a reply icon or the word reply near the bottom of the message. It's often shown as a curved arrow pointing to the left. Click that. On mobile, you may see a reply button at the bottom of the screen or under a small icon that looks like three dots. Tap reply there. When you click or tap reply, Gmail automatically starts a reply message that's connected to the original email. You'll notice that the to field is already filled in with the sender's email address, so you don't have to type it yourself. You'll also see the original message below your reply area, which helps keep the conversation in one thread and gives you context while you're typing. Next, type your message, click or tap inside the main message area and start writing your reply. Try to address any questions asked in the original email and be as clear and direct as you can. If needed, you can format your text using the toolbar on a computer, where you can make text larger, change colors, or add links. On mobile, you may have a simpler formatting menu, but you can still keep your message organized with short paragraphs. If you're replying to a professional or formal email, begin with a simple greeting, then get straight to the point. For more casual conversations, you can write in a relaxed, friendly tone. Before you move on, read through your reply once more to check for spelling, grammar, and overall clarity. Making small edits here can prevent confusion later. If you need to add a file, such as a document or an image, look for the attachment icon, usually shown as a paperclip, and choose the file you want to include. This is optional, but it's helpful if the person asked for a specific document or screenshot. When you're happy with your reply, the final step is to click send. On a computer, the send button is usually blue and located at the bottom of the reply window. On mobile, it might appear as a paper airplane icon. Click or tap send, and Gmail will send your reply to the original sender, keeping it tied to the same conversation thread. That's all there is to it. Open the email, click reply, type your message, and click send. Once you've done it a few times, replying to emails in Gmail will feel quick and natural.